Are you sure this is the right way, Zia? It's hard.
Trust the trails, Juno. They'll guide you safely.
The fog's getting worse. I can barely see your trails now.
Stay focused. You're stronger than you think.
Hand over the package, Juno. You're not getting. Not a chance, Nori. You'll have to catch me first. Keep moving, Juno. You're almost there. You can't outrun the fog, Juno. This is it. I have to make it. You're almost there, Juno. Don't stop now.
Not bad, Juno. Maybe next time.
Next time, Nori. Until then.
Thanks for guiding me, Zia. I couldn't have done it without you.
You did great, Juno. Until next time.